Okay, guys, here we are, and obviously we're at our house site here, and the fellas are leveling it out. Are they on lunch break now?
Yeah, it's
okay.
12 already.
We're just dropping in on them now, guys.
We have only one, worker.
We have only one worker,
yeah.
So we still have a hole in the roof.
We pay him 400 per day.
The worker gets 400 per day.
Yeah, because my brother cannot do it alone because it's a lot of, and it's wide.
We're having some issues with the bridging on the roof and who's going to do that, and we're waiting on our roof panels, and the rains came back again, and our right of way is still pretty soft. It never got totally dry, but it's progressing very slowly. You know, I'd be happy if it went faster. I want to move in down here.
Part, guys, the floor, because it's elevated.
Yeah, this is the hardest part. Once this is done,
and you need to fill all of the dirt here, then pack it.
Yeah. But
at least, guys, we less. Our estimated before is like over 90,000, at least less than 90,000.
Yeah, you saved a lot of money.
Our neighbor to do it, and we saved.
You got it done for much cheaper because we didn't hire the work crew from Kalibo. We hired the Green Mountain Boys, I call them, from up on the mountain, and they work cheaper and they work faster, and it's a lot easier for them because they're closer. They don't have to commute from Kalibo.
That is the guys.
So they're like 18 and they work continuously with very fast, very efficient workers. So, and they're really happy to get it to work. So, you know, I don't want to give it to the other guys when the neighbors want it. You know, if the neighbors up on the mountain are going to work harder and they want the work, why not let them do it? Let's see what we got going on over here. Well, the tomatoes survived the rains last night. This is a cute calf. Hey, buddy. You got some birds here too, huh? It's a nice farmland. The tomatoes look awesome. Rain didn't hurt them too badly. What is that? I don't know why that leaf's wrinkled, guys. Maybe wind damage. Maybe there's a caterpillar in there. Ah, we have a caterpillar. Look at that already. So I'm gonna have to go to the store, wherever they sell around here, and get something to deal with these little buggers. What is that, guys? Some kind of an egg. You get out of there. Yeah. All right. Well. So the tomatoes are holding up really good. Now let's go over here and see what's going on with the chickens. Don didn't cover them last night. They got a little wet. You all right, guys? I'm gonna have to buy a couple more adult Brahma hens to put in there. And the Rhode Island Reds look good. They're really good looking. Get Tom to move their cage over, but chickens are doing okay.
Why it's that? Oh my god. We copyright. You have like that in America, James?
No. No, just regular air horns.
Namit ako mga James, may duyan iya. James, you like if there's a hammock here, then no.
Yeah, a hammock so I can take a break while you guys are doing that.
They try to move that board, James, but it's
What is that? The cement mixing board?
yeah,
Mixing?
mixing ano to? Yeah.
No, it's because there's a lot of cement stuck to it. It's heavy.
It's too heavy, James.
Just the two of you tried to move it?
Yeah.
Well, you want help? You think the three of us could do it?
Later. Nandun na ako, yes, Richard.
Later, Roxy.
Gaano ko na si Richard yan. Huwag naman pati oras. Ito yung gano'n. Ay, pati oras.
Gabi.
Oo. Huwag kang silinan, ikaw naman. Iya ba kailan?
It's packed already. This well. Yeah. What if you have basement? Basement. No?
Of what?
Basement. Makakiswap.
Kutan pa tabi akong doon. Tanong sila.
Mamakarakaw in kawan. Mangubra ko to.
Pamakan. Daya, yung baron bag, babalik mo dito. Tapos natin itumbok mo dito. Bilungan. Tapos yung tulad eh. Ito anay. Matunay kaya mo matunya makaraw. Dilan makaraw. Hindi pa buwi na buwi. Buwi na. Kasi ni wala makaraw. Hindi mo rin yan. Buyan mo rin. Guto rin yan.
He's coming out of there. Look at his head's coming out of there.
Buhi. Di mabugto rin. Buhi.
Buyan ko?
Buho.
Hala! Guys, look at this. James, it's magic.
I see his head coming out of there.
Oh my god. It's magic, guys. Asan halinda? It's like... Ay, kabilangguan. Ah. It's magic, guys. It's magic. Guys, they are carrying this mixing board going outside so that we can fill all of this corner of sand. They said that it's so heavy because full of cement. James helped them, guys. Oh my god. 3 people is not enough. Oh my god. One, two, three, go. Oh my god. All of this concrete, guys, it makes this board so heavy. Oh my god.
Try not to break it.
Because guys, we need to flatten all of this. Ha? Ay, di kada karon. Video.
Yeah.
Mas may mga gansang ka na. James, how's the mixing board? It's heavy?
Yeah, it's heavy. Full of concrete. It's all wet. Look at all that.
Oh my god.
Cocoa lumber, concrete, soil. What? Well. Ready, Tom? Yeah. 1, 2. Ready, Tom? Yeah. 1, 3.
Maybe it's okay, James.
I just need some cement here. Good?
You eat cement?
Yeah. Ready. Alright.
Let it down slow, kinda.
1, 2, 3, go on.
No, this way.
Your feet, James. Kung may kamuti gali yaton ha. Pwede mo panunganan. Here, there's a kamuti outside, guys.
How to get there?
Tatay plant it.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool.
I told Kuya Christian so that he have vegetable. That's so healthy. Hello guys. So today's video, guys, we what do you call this? Spread the soil, guys, until there and move some stuff.
Level
like,
the soil. We are leveling the soil.
leveling the soil, and we move mixing board and we clean here inside so that it's easy to our workers to level it. And I think, guys, it's not still enough. It's good that our workers just arrived to help us to get soil there outside, guys. And James help also, guys.
So this is, he's gonna bring more soil from the hill?
Yeah.
Okay. Still gotta fill all that in. I knew it wasn't gonna be enough. But it's looking better. Looking better, guys.
I using
What is it?
I clean my
What's the matter with your feet?
because I don't use slipper earlier
So what happened?
when I go when I help you there.
What you just told me. What did you say?
Huh? Ano?
You said a lot of soil.
A lot of soil in my feet.
With that accent. Say it again.
Look at Kuya Christian, James. He's on the top.
All right, guys, we are done with our house construction for the day. We had a very small crew, but we got some things done. Listen to some music, watch Karen work. Now we're gonna go shopping, and we're gonna take you guys with today. We're only going to Belete. They got a fairly nice large sari store there. We're gonna go buy some stuff, and we got to go to the feed store and get some food for the Manuk. So come on with, guys. Your cousin do that, Karen?
They are selling it for 50 pesos like this thing.
50 pesos?
Yeah. 50 pesos.
Oh, that's cool. How many meals can you cook with one of those bundles for 50 pesos? A lot? That's good. It's a renewable resource. It's a renewable resource. When you burn wood, it releases carbon dioxide. It goes up into the atmosphere, and some other trees breathe it in and trap it. And the cycle repeats itself. All right, here we go. We had to park our bike over there, guys, today. And I'm just running footage right now to show you all. It's still pretty muddy here. But I think we'll be pouring the floor soon. I think we're getting there, guys.
It's raining again here, guys. We're in gasoline station and we bought the gasoline. But unfortunately, there's a rain comes. Yeah.
You do that.
I caught you. What you're doing there.
What I am doing?
Yeah. You're like in a Squid Game.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready, set, go?
Yeah.
All right, perfect.
It's very slippery, guys. A lot of holes.
Really dangerous. How many pounds are you gonna get?
Maybe 3.
Cornstarch? That's not flour.
Ay, di mix.
I knew that didn't feel right. You need flour, wheat flour, Karen.
All purpose.
All-purpose what? Cornstarch?
Bayan harina naman.
Yeah, that feels like flour. This one's cornstarch. That one feels like flour. I think it is. Okay.
All purpose.
How many? It's a mixed bag. What else are you looking for? Lots of corned beef. Mushroom? What are you going to do with mushroom? All right.
Okay guys, we are here now in poultry store where you can buy a food for our chicken guys. This is for oxygens. Yeah. Good. A lot of people buying it.
People buying beef.
Yeah. This is for dog guys.
Which feeder do you think we should get? Huh?
Like the one that we bought before.
Same one as last time?
Smaller.
It's okay. That one's okay.
The smaller one.
Like we got last time, it's okay. Did you tell him we need 16% chicken manok food? I told you not to buy so much stuff. Now how are we going to carry all that home? Guys, she bought a chicken feeder, chicken water, a box full of eggs because we don't have enough eggs. And behind me, she's got a sack full of chicken food. Hey, it's too much. Look at all this stuff she's carrying, guys. She's got a sack of feed right behind me.
Guys, my bag is heavy. A lot of grocery inside.
I told you not to buy all that
I
stuff.
have egg. I have 5 kilos of
Too much to carry all at once. Now you have to carry it all.
Dora. I look like Dora the Explorer.
You look like a wife that bought too much stuff.
Because the manok guys, the chicken guys, always pooping in their in the container there. That's why the dog will not happen to us.
The black dog there,
They said that
he's concerned. He's gonna come check for himself.
help me with it.
No, the dog are not for you, buddy.
Here, I need help now.
Need help now.
Oh.
She needs help now. She needs help. Yeah? We have returned. We have the manok bayan. Is that the right way? The bayan of the manok? How do you say it, Karen? How do you say the food for the manok?
Sabon.
All right. Sabud.
Bukan namin yung saan.
Okay. All right, guys, we've got the chicken food, the manok food in the Bahay Kubo, and we're about ready to go back up to the mountain now. Han's got everything he needs here. We got to get these eggplants and stuff in, Karen.
Yeah.
Got to do that. Ready? About ready to go? All right. All right, guys. It's starting to get dark now. It rained again today, so we're dealing with the muddy mountain road. And somehow we got up the road, right, Karen?
Yeah, it's very difficult now, guys, because too much mud and it's raining earlier.
Yeah. So there's Princess's mom there. That's Tatay's. That's not.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Tatay's.
Look like princess.
Can you
no?
hold it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
she's Princess Mom.
That is her swimming pool there.
How old is she?
Maybe 4 or 5.
She's very tame towards Tatay, huh?
Yeah, because Tatay always touching her.
Look at her though. She's beautiful.
She's pregnant.
All right, here we go. At least we got some stones here, but even the stones get slippery with algae here.
Oh my God, Pulgoso again.
Pogoso, he has
We're crazy dog, guys.
very bad separation anxiety. He missed us. Pogoso! Pablo!
Our garage.
All right, can we get off?
Yeah. Ouch.
Park it.